Hey everyone, it's Jamie here from Ecom Masterclass, and in this video I'll be going over how you can get more email subscribers on your Shopify store. Now I'll be going through step by step how you can set up an email pop-up here that should be highly effective at helping to convert email subscribers. Collecting email subscribers is a great opportunity for your store, as you can then retarget them through customized email campaigns, which are going to cost essentially nothing in comparison to retargeting ads using things such as Facebook retargeting. You can also nurture these campaigns as well to get customers comfortable to eventually buy from your store. I want to go over things step by step here, but before I get into it, I want to thank our sponsor ProfitCalc, the one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for, and you're going to get real-time calculations on how profitable your Shopify store actually is, as well as many other detailed analytics, all in an easy-to-read dashboard. There's a link in the description to access a 15-day free trial, and I'm also going to show a quick promo video.
Are you a Shopify business owner who spends hours doing your accounting? Have messy spreadsheets kept you from growing your business? Discover ProfitCalc, the affordable and easy to set up Shopify app that crunches your numbers in just one click. It automatically syncs with all your accounts and expenses to calculate your profit, displaying everything in an easy to read dashboard so you understand your business in real time. Start for free on the Shopify App Store today.
Now, in order to set up this email collection app, you're going to want to head over to the Shopify App Store. You can do so by Googling Shopify App Store. So in the Shopify App Store, I'm going to search Spin Wheel. This is going to be a spin the wheel pop-up that kind of gamifies the email collection experience. So the one I'm going to select here is Spin Wheel Pop-up, Email Pop-up. This one does have a free plan available with unlimited campaigns for up to 100 monthly visitors. And so I've already installed the app here. All you have to do is hit Add App and then click in Install. And once you've installed the app here, to access it, you hit the App section on the left-hand side. And it should show up under Installed Apps. So it's Woohoo-Spin the Wheel Pop-up. So to open it, I'm just going to click on it here. It's going to load the app in a separate URL. So to create a campaign to collect email subscribers, you want to head to the top left here under New Campaign. Then you get several options here for different campaign types. There's the regular spin the wheel. We can win different discounts. There's Wheel of Coupons, as well as reveal your coupon here. I'm going to stick to the classic spin the wheel for this video. So I'm going to click on it there. Then from here, I'll be able to edit some particular settings. So from here, you're going to get the opportunity to edit certain things such as the colors as well as the logo. Now I'm just going to leave the logo detailed here as a default. I'm not going to change it for the purposes of this video. What I am going to do is select one of these preset designs here. I'm going to select this one as I like this colorway, as it's a little more muted. I'm also going to change the button color to a bright red so it's visible. Then I'm going to change the button shadow to white here. So this spin the wheel spins up nicely and it's nicely bright. So it's going to stand out. I'm going to change the text to white here to make the background of the wheel white. I'm going to change the cover text to black as well, and disclaimer text to black. So it's some basic customization there. Once you're comfortable with this here, you can hit create game. So it's going to create your first game here. So what you're going to have to do next is you're going to copy and paste this code wherever you want it to appear. So I've copied that code now. Now you can go edit it. First, I just want to make sure this is active. So if I go back to campaigns here, I can see I have one active spin the wheel campaign. So to add this to your theme code, from your homepage, you want to head to Online Store on the left. Under Themes here, what I'm going to do is duplicate this theme. I always recommend this after or before you change any code. This way, if you make any mistakes here, you can easily restore it to a copy. So to edit the code of your Shopify theme, you want to hit these three dots, scroll down to Edit Code. I'm going to place this pop-up on every page. So I'm going to load the theme.liquid here on the left. And it said before the closing body tag, and so that should be at the bottom of this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down all the way to the bottom here. You can see the closing body tag as it has a left arrow, a right slash body, and a right arrow. So I'm going to paste this code here. I'm going to format it a little bit there. I'm also going to copy this comment here, and I'm going to paste another one. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to call this spin the wheel. I'm going to copy that whole line again, go down to the bottom of this script. I'm going to write end dash. This way, if I ever come back to the future, I can recognize what this piece of script does. If I uninstall the app and I want to remove this code, I can simply come back in here and it's easy to identify. So once I'm done, I hit save. Now I want to preview what this is going to look like. So I'm going to click on Preview Store in the top right. And after a second here, it's going to show up and it's going to say want to unlock today's exclusive discount. And then you can then enter your email. And so that's the basics here of how you're going to set up your spin the wheel pop-up. There are more settings in the app such as integrations, so you can then take your email subscribers and connect it to any one of these apps here. It's going to automatically import those email subscribers so you can then email them for retargeting campaigns. Apart from design, there's also different things such as you can edit, including the text. You can change the coupons here, which I recommend you do to match real life coupons in your store. You can either enter the coupon code here and say what it's going to be. You can also create them in the app as well, I believe. The last one's going to be settings here. So you can set when to show this pop-up. You can say on entering the site, or you can add particular conditions such as when the user is leaving. You can select or deselect either of these three, so you can say after 10 seconds or when the user reaches 100% of the page. You can let users enter in the same email. You can also stop displaying the game after the user has performed an action or they've seen it so many times. You can also hide the coupon code and get it sent to their email. You may want to do this if you're getting a lot of spam emails or fake emails here, but this can interrupt the purchasing process. There's also an option here to collect messenger leads instead. So if you're using a tool such as Recart, you can integrate Facebook Messenger contacts directly through there. There's also certain trigger types here, so you can have pop-ups on the page, so a customer can then click these and the spin the wheel pop-up will show up. So I'm not going to edit any of these settings here. I'm just going to discard them. And then it is up to you how you want the pop-up to be configured. So overall, this is going to conclude the video on how to get more email subscribers. And the simple way to do that is have effective pop-ups on your store, letting the customer exchange their contact information for things such as a discount, which is a win-win for you. Is if they use that discount to purchase something, they become a customer. Or if they don't at that point, you can then retarget them, getting them to come back to your store. Spin the Wheel has been really popular for collecting email subscribers as it gamifies the experience. Now you don't have to use this app as well. There are quite a few Spin the Wheel pop-ups available on the Shopify App Store. A lot of them have free plans as well, so you can test them out to see which one you like best. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment. Lastly, I want to mention Profit Calc one more time. The one-click profit calculator available on the Shopify App Store. It comes with a 15-day free trial. You can test drive everything for yourself and get real-time calculations to understand how your store is truly performing. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.